Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can print large data in Excel perfectly. Here we have unwanted portion and I have these columns. It is about 41 or 42 rows. I arranged this Excel sheet to be print perfectly as you see here from File, Print. You see all columns are printed and fit with the page. In the second page, also I make the Excel sheet to repeat the titles for the second page, also repeat the title for the third page. If you want to learn to print perfectly, stick to the end. Now let's start. File, Print. You see it's not the perfect table. If I drop down, you see here I have unwanted portion. I have unwanted portion. Okay, for example, I don't want to print this portion. Just from here, select it. You can select it from Control Shift right arrow, then draw down arrow. Or simply just select the data like this. Okay, then page layout, print area, set print area. Now if I check again from File, Print, you see unwanted portion is removed. We don't have unwanted portion now. Great. Now from page layout orientation, select landscape. Always for large data, select landscape. Now let us check again. Print. Okay, it's landscape orientation. You see it's landscape orientation, but all the rows is not included. To include all the rows, from page setup, select fit to here one. Let's see. Okay, here one and here one. Let's see what happens. You see how it appears? It's not good. So again, come back here. Just delete this one to be fit with the page. Here you can select the different size A3, A4, A5. Before I selected A4. Okay. Now the table is fit with our page. Good. If I scroll down, you see the title is not repeated here. The title is not repeated here. I want the title repeat on all pages. So again, come back to here. From print titles, rows to be repeat at top, click this icon, select this row. Okay, enter. Okay, again from File, Print, you see the data is perfect. Here we have the title. In second page, okay, in second page also we have the title. In third page also we have the title. That's the way to print your data. Also, you can here select the printer, which printer you want. For example, this one. That's the way to perfectly print your data. Just print and everything will be right.